For homeowners in West Jordan, maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home is a priority, especially with hot summers and cold winters. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by replacing old windows and ensuring professional installation. Properly installed, high-quality windows help reduce energy consumption, lower utility bills, and enhance indoor comfort. Here's how professional window installation can make a difference in your West Jordan home. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Old or poorly installed windows often have gaps, cracks, or weak seals that allow air to escape or enter your home. This leads to temperature fluctuations, making it harder for your heating and cooling system to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Professional window installation ensures properly sealed frames to prevent drafts, tightly fitted glass and weather stripping to eliminate air leaks, better insulation, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. With a properly sealed home, you'll experience fewer cold drafts in winter and less heat intrusion in summer, leading to a more stable and comfortable indoor environment. Improved insulation with high-performance windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to provide better insulation, keeping warm air inside during the winter and blocking excess heat in the summer. When installed correctly, these windows maximize thermal efficiency by incorporating double or triple pane glass, creates an insulating barrier that minimizes heat transfer. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light inside, reducing heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter. Argon or krypton gas fills, added between glass panes to improve insulation. Foam-filled frames increase thermal resistance, preventing unwanted heat exchange. A professional window installation ensures these energy-saving features function as intended, significantly reducing the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your home. Reducing HVAC system strain and lowering energy bills. A home with energy-efficient windows requires less heating in the winter and less air conditioning in the summer. By properly installing insulated windows, you reduce the amount of work your HVAC system needs to do, resulting in lower monthly energy bills, thanks to reduced heating and cooling costs. Less wear and tear on HVAC equipment, extending its lifespan. More consistent indoor temperatures, eliminating hot and cold spots. By upgrading to professionally installed, high-efficiency windows, West Jordan homeowners can save hundreds of dollars annually on energy costs. Preventing moisture buildup and mold growth. Utah's fluctuating climate can lead to condensation and moisture buildup around windows, especially during colder months. Excess moisture can cause mold growth, wood rot, and reduced air quality inside your home. Professional window installation minimizes these issues by ensuring a tight, waterproof seal to keep out moisture, using advanced drainage solutions to prevent water accumulation, choosing window materials resistant to mold and mildew, such as vinyl or fiberglass. By preventing excess moisture, you protect your home's structural integrity and create a healthier indoor environment. Enhancing natural light while blocking harmful UV rays. New windows not only improve insulation but also optimize natural lighting while protecting your interiors from harmful UV radiation. Many modern energy-efficient windows include UV blocking coatings that Reduce furniture and flooring fading caused by prolonged sun exposure. Maintain a bright and inviting home environment without excessive heat gain. Allow natural light to enhance indoor spaces while reducing the need for artificial lighting. A professional installer ensures that windows are strategically placed and properly installed to maximize light exposure and energy efficiency. Custom window solutions for West Jordan's climate. Not all windows are suitable for West Jordan's unique climate, which experiences hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms. Professional installers help homeowners select windows specifically designed for weather resilience and insulation by offering ENERGY STAR rated windows that meet local energy efficiency standards. Impact-resistant glass for protection against storms and strong winds. Tinted or reflective glass for additional sun control during hot months. With expert guidance, you can choose windows that best suit West Jordan's varying temperatures, ensuring year-round comfort and savings. Long-term investment and increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is not just about comfort and savings, it's also a valuable home improvement. Professionally installed windows. Increase home resale value by making your property more attractive to buyers. Improve curb appeal with stylish, modern designs. Offer a long-term return on investment, as energy-efficient homes are in high demand. When it's time to sell your home, new, well-installed windows can be a strong selling point that differentiates your property from others on the market. Why choose professional window installation over DIY? While some homeowners consider DIY window installation, improper fitting can lead to air leaks, insulation problems, and costly energy waste. Choosing professional window installation in West Jordan ensures expert craftsmanship, ensuring a perfect fit. Manufacturer warranties, protecting your investment. Proper sealing and insulation, preventing long-term issues. Hiring experienced installers guarantees maximum energy savings and long-lasting durability. Final thoughts. Invest in energy efficiency today. For West Jordan homeowners, investing in professional window installation is one of the best ways to improve energy efficiency, reduce utility costs, and enhance indoor comfort. With expertly installed, high-quality windows, you'll enjoy year-round savings, better insulation, and a more comfortable home. If you're considering window replacement or installation, consult with a trusted window expert in West Jordan to explore the best energy-efficient options. The right installation can transform your home's efficiency, security, and aesthetics for years to come.